Hi, my name's Hayden T. I'm the Creative Director of Inglot Cosmetics, and today I'm talking to you about how to get rid of huge pores fast. I've got two great tips. One is a treatment that you can create from normal things you can find in your household at home, and another is a great makeup tip technique. Things you will need: 1 lemon, some baking soda, some household sugar, a corrective illuminator, a makeup primer, and a mattifying powder. Now to get started. So first off, I'm going to take a lemon and juice it. I'm then going to get some household sugar. I like to get a grain that is not too fine so you can really get some exfoliation out of it, but also not some raw brown sugar because that's going to be a little bit too harsh on the skin. Mix them together. I like to say 1 part baking soda, 2 parts sugar, and then you just add the lemon juice to a nice consistency. And when we get to the makeup, I'm going to focus on mattifying products, things that are going to diffuse light rather than reflecting it. Another great tip: stay away from anything shiny or frosty, because that will really accentuate the pores. You want to mattify things down and diffuse light so the textural difference is hidden. My name's Hayden T. Thanks for watching. I'll see you for another video soon.